So another method that students can be using is pitfall traps. It's a very simple method. Essentially, it's a hole in the ground with some cups in the hole, and anything that's walking along, so any crawling insects like beetles or other arthropods like spiders, fall in the cup. And because the cup is quite smooth on the inside, we can't really climb out. And then you come back after 24 to 48 hours and have a look at what's inside your cup. If it's a very warm day, it's often quite good to put in like a little bit of like moist sponge in the bottom so that your things don't dry out. If it's raining, you want to probably collect your pitfall traps so they don't all go for an unplanned swim. And it's also good practice to put a bit of a cover over your cups and, crucially, mark where they are because it's going to be very difficult to find them afterwards. So luckily we've got a flag, so it's relatively easy to relocate the trap. This is where the double cup comes in handy. If you want to keep the traps in for longer, you can just take out the inside cup and leave the outside cup. Oh, okay, we've got a little spider in the bottom. Also got an ant crawling around. I think it's holding a piece of grass, or it was.